From ISKCON Youth Forum Ghaziabad, I Gajendra Das today welcomes you. Today's topic of discussion is becoming a best person in the world by learning from biography of a pencil. In the beginning, the maker, before sending out the pencil into this world, wrote the biography of the pencil and said to the pencil some lessons. There are 5 things you need to always know and remember so that you can become the best pencil in the world. Lesson 1. The maker said to the pencil, you will be able to do many great things in the world, but only if you allow yourself to be held in someone's hand. Like this. The maker said to the pencil, the second lesson, you will experience painful sharpening from time to time, but this is required to become a better pencil. Lesson 3. The maker said to the pencil, you have the ability to correct any mistakes you might make. Lesson 4. The maker said to the pencil, the most important part of you will always be what's inside you, the graphite. Lesson 5. The maker said to the pencil, on whatever surface you may walk, you must continue to write, making a legible mark on the paper, no matter what the situation is. Now replace the pencil with you. Always remember and never forget these 5 things and you will become the best person in the world. Lesson 1. For man. You will be able to do many great things if you allow yourself to be held in God's hands and allow other human beings to access you for the many gifts you possess. Lesson 2. For man, you will experience painful sharpening from time to time. But you need this to become a stronger person. Lesson 3. For man, you have the ability to correct yourself for any mistakes you might make. Lesson 4. For man, the most important part of you will always be what's inside your heart, your intentions. Lesson 5. For man, under all circumstances, on every surface you walk, you must continue to serve God in everything, no matter what the situation is. So every one of us is like a pencil, created by the maker for a unique and special purpose. By understanding this and remembering always, let us proceed in our lives with a meaningful purpose in the heart and relationship with God daily. You were made to do great things. So, if you want to know why God created man and the world, why God sent man into this world, and how we can become instrument of God, how we can develop relationship with God, you must read Bhagavad Gita 1 verse daily in the morning. So if you like the biography of the pencil and the lessons derived for man, you can join ISKCON Youth Forum Telegram group. Thank you. Hare Krishna.